Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to LinkedIn newsletters for niche authority building, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your home page. In the search bar at the top, type newsletters. Press enter to see the results. Look for the newsletters tab beneath the search bar. Click on the newsletters tab to view available options. Browse through the various newsletters. Identify a newsletter that aligns with your niche. Click on the newsletter title to learn more. Read the description to ensure it interests you. You may receive a confirmation notification. Check your notifications to see updates from the newsletter. Now, check your LinkedIn feed regularly. Engage with the content by liking or commenting. This interaction helps build your authority in your niche. Consider sharing interesting insights from the newsletter on your profile. Continually explore more newsletters as they are published. Stay updated on trends and insights relevant. This will enhance your knowledge and professional presence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.